Fusion Lesson 9. This one's going to be pretty rapid fire, so try and follow along. Use your sketch tool, select a plane, L for line, and we're going to start drawing our shape. And we're going to make kind of a bracket shape here. Again, sizes don't matter. Up at an angle, click and hold to create your arc. Off at an angle again. And honestly, the only thing that we really want to try is making sure that that back edge is lined up. Once you have the generic shape, we're going to use our coincident constraint. Take the center of that circle, put it on the center origin point. So from here, we can do a couple things. We want to create a construction line, and we just click on the center of that circle since it's the origin now. Hit escape to get out of there. Select that line, right click on it, two-finger click, and we're going to change it normal to construction. Now we have that as a reference line and it won't affect any other geometry. And we're going to randomly sketch in using our line tool again, so L for line. And we want this kind of circular cutout shape. Alright, so let's add in some geometric constraints. Make sure that that's tangent. You should have those tangent symbols. If you accidentally put it again, it'll just give you an error, which is fine. We're going to dimension this circle to be 1 inch. And you can always move stuff around if you need to. Like if things are kind of getting loosey-goosey in here, you can always move things around to kind of reshore them up. Let's make this center coincident with our construction line, and let's use our trim tool. We can get rid of that, so that way we have this nice U shape. What else can we do? Let's set some things equal. We want this to be equal with that, and we want this to be equal with that, so that our part's starting to take shape here with very minimal dimensions. So let's create a dimension constraint using the D key. This we're going to make a radius of 0.75. We can add a circle with C. We can dimension that. This one will be 1 inch. And now we just need a few more dimensional constraints. So from here to the end, we're going to go 1.25. From here to that circle, that is 5 inches. This line we want to make 3 inches. And our total height, let's make that 4.5. So with just a couple dimensions and using those geometric constraints, which is always the better option, we have this fully locked down. So we can look at sketches in any view, but you want to hit the E key, and that takes you directly to extrude. Go to home, click on our profile, and extrude it out, and we're going to go just 1 inch on this. And that's this part done. Make sure that you save it. We're going to save this one as Fusion Lesson 9. Save. And make sure you screenshot this and submit it to Canvas.